Stop scrolling. If your videos aren't getting views, you're making the HIS mistake. And in 2026, going viral on YouTube is not luck anymore. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are getting millions of views even with 0 subscribers. Don't say, hey guys, welcome back, nobody cares. Instead say, 99% of people don't know this YouTube trick. Your video needs to feel fast. Every 2 to 3 seconds, something should change. Zoom in, zoom out, add text, sound effects. Now this is where it gets interesting. Never give all the information at once. Create curiosity gaps. Most people do wrong, they copy trends. But winners, they ADD a twist. Everyone is making AI videos. You make, I used AI for your thumbnail and title. That's your first impression, strong emotion and curiosity. Make people NEED to click. Quick story. I saw a creator with like 200 subscribers. He changed thing, his hook. Next video, over 1 million views. Consistency wins. But not just posting smart. Look at what works and double down on it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment viral if you're ready to grow.